building an accepting workplace, approaches to
Wait
prevent
lang.
LGBT discrimination and promote equal rights. We will also explain why discussing this topic is important for everyone, especially at work. Let's get started. Introduction. The article Creating an Acceptable Workplace Approaches to Prevent LGBT Discrimination and Promote Equal Rights explores strategies for organizations to prevent discrimination while supporting the inclusion and advancement of LGBT personnel. It suggests implementing comprehensive policies, offering education and training, and cultivating an open, respectful culture to create a more equitable and diverse workplace. Let's talk about explanation of new paradigm. The building and accepting workplace paradigm shifts towards a more inclusive approach to workplace diversity, focusing on fostering a culture that values diversity in all forms, including sexual orientation and gender identity. This approach goes beyond policy implementation and involves proactively cultivating a culture that welcomes diversity in all forms. Leadership plays a critical role in this new paradigm, demonstrating genuine commitment to diversity through actions, decision making, and communication. This approach not only prevents discrimination but also promotes a sense of belonging for LGBT employees.
This article emphasizes the importance of creating a workplace culture that supports and includes LGBT employees. This culture is built on the foundation of inclusivity, respect, and equality, extending beyond mere policies employee feels valued and respected. Key aspects of this culture include open communication and continuous education. Organizations should prioritize dialogue about diversity, provide safe spaces for discussing LGBT issues, and implement training on unconscious bias and inclusive language. Additionally, visible and committed leadership plays a crucial role. Leaders must model inclusive behaviors, set clear expectations, and actively support diversity initiatives. This commitment from leadership signals to employee that inclusivity is a core organizational value, helping to create a safe and supportive environment where individuals feel free to express their authentic selves.
See you, Jen.
Wait lang po.